Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you a few secret codes on your Oppo devices. Okay, so all you need to do, just press the phone icon. Then I will be dialing all the secret codes and click on the numeric keyboard, and it should pop up a keyboard to dial a number, and then we're gonna access the first code. It's for opening your calendar. So all you need to do, just asterisk pound, then click hashtag asterisk pound, then another hashtag 225, hashtag asterisk pound, then hashtag, and last asterisk pound, and it should pop up calendar info, all your events and everything on your accounts that are saved. And I will show you another one. So the second one that we're gonna do, it's gonna access your IMEI number. It's gonna check your IMEI number. So all you need to do, just asterisk pound, hashtag 06, hashtag, and it should pop up. There's two IMEI numbers, as you see. It works perfectly fine. And the last one is gonna be how to check your software version information. So all you need to do, just click asterisk pound, then click hashtag, then click 1 2 3 4, then click hashtag, and as you see, there's the version number. All you need to do, just close it, and that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.